Today, we review the best 5 milkshake makers that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Breville Control Grip Immersion. The controller is easy to hold and has 15 speed settings to choose from. This would allow you to make sure that your milkshakes are well blended and have the perfect texture. Milkshakes are exciting when you put various ingredients on it like chocolates and biscuits.
Number 2.
Hamilton Beach 730C Classic Drinkmaster Drink Mixer. This milkshake maker will give you nostalgia because of its retro design. It has a chrome finish and a shape that will remind you of soda fountains that were famous back in the 60s. If you're in love with classic styles or if you need something to add to your retro-themed counter, this one is a great choice.
Number 3.
Cuisinart CDM100G Classic Drink Mixer. Another milkshake maker that you can use if you're attracted to retro-styled mixers is the Cuisinart CDM100G Classic Drink Mixer. This one has a mint color that looks fun and enjoyable to use.
Number 4.
COSORI Blender Professional Heavy Duty Smoothie Maker. While retro mixers are cutters, heavy-duty blenders are multipurpose machines that would be very useful in the kitchen. So if you're looking for a milkshake machine that you can also use for making smoothies, soups, and mixing batters, then the COSORI Blender 1500W might be the one for you.
Number 5.
Nostalgia 2-Speed Milkshake Maker. It's important to remember that this is just for basic milkshakes. The motor won't be powerful enough for super thick mixtures. It has 2 speeds and a 100-watt motor that you can use to make milkshakes that satisfy the cravings.